Reels have changed. And last week, I showed you the 5 techniques of great storytelling. But today, I want to talk about something deeper. Because knowing the technique is one thing, understanding why your story is your biggest business asset, that is everything. When I started my digital marketing journey, I was overwhelmed. Content creation, shiny object, drama, information everywhere. I didn't know where to start. I was so caught up by trying to do everything perfectly that I wasn't doing anything at all. Until one day, Daniel sat me down and said, "Stop thinking so much. Just focus on what matters." And that one thing changed my entire perspective. Here's what I realized: people don't connect with perfect content, they connect with real. They want to know how you got there, what you struggle with, what didn't work, why you learn anyway. Because before someone invests in your offer, your service, your course, they need to feel like they know the person behind it. Think about it like watching a movie. Most people don't commit to a movie without watching the trailer first. Your content works the same way. Every reel, every post, every video is a small trailer. It's asking your audience, do I trust her? Do I connect with her? Can she help me? And here's the thing: your audience doesn't need you to have it all figured out. They need to see the real journey, not the highlight reel, the actual one. The moment you didn't know what you were doing, the decision you made anyway. What lesson did you learn from? The mess becomes your message. That struggle becomes your credibility. Progress, not perfection, is what people want to see. Because when they see the real journey, they don't just connect with the content, they connect with you. And that's when trust happens. That's when they become customers. So this week, share one real moment, one struggle, one lesson. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Let's go.